Welcome back to another video. Today we have some new tools that just arrived at Harbor Freight's website. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you guys want to help out the channel. We need more subscribers, more likes, so we can buy more tools, make more tool reviews, more videos of tools. Unfortunately, that's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. So we need more if you guys want to help out the channel. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Yeah, I was just swinging by Harbor Freight's website and I just saw this. I know I just made a video of some more new tools that came up a few days back, but I did see these and they are well worth to make another video because there are some great tools here. So we got the Bauer. The first one's the Bauer 4.5 8 amp paddle switch angle grinder, tool free guard, $44.99. Looks like a really high quality. You know what? This was on the coupon book, the video I just did a few days back too. So this was on the coupon book, by the way. So we got all metal gearing, housing for maximum durability, slim compact body design, effortless, large paddle switch with lock on, extra long power cord, adjustable 2-position handle. So I guess it does have a adjustable handle, tool free wheel guard, ergonomic paddle switch, spindle lock button, powerful 8 amp motor. Here's some more pictures. Side view. Yeah, it looks pretty good actually. It looks pretty good quality. All right, let's look at the next tool. Next tool is we got a backpack here. It's a Bauer heavy duty job site backpack, $69.99. Then again, guys, these prices are not going to be that price. There's going to be coupons coming out for all these. I'm pretty sure. I think there's a coupon for Bauer tools. I believe $10 off any Bauer tool. We got a heavy duty job site, durable, comfortable, and secure. It says heavy duty compartment. Let's see. Designed to protect tools, laptop compartment. So it does have a laptop compartment. Heavy duty zippers, molded waterproof bottom case. Attachment strap, so it does have a strap on the side there. Tape measure clip, so you can put a tape measure or some tools. Load bearing harness through a cross harness there. Water bottle pocket. So it says water impact resistant base, tear resistant fabric, load bearing harness. All right, got some more pictures here. See the bottom, it's pretty heavy duty plastic or rubber. I would say rubber. And that's the side that they were saying for the tools. And then it does have some, so you can put the keys and all sorts of smaller tools there. Yeah, the next tool is Hercules. Yeah, we're expecting more Hercules tools this year. I don't know if you guys watch the Bear the Den of Tools. Shout out to him. He always keeps us informed of if there's any new tools coming up, so check him out. Check out his channel. So yeah, so Hercules, this is the Hercules. This is the, I would say, the prosumer professional level of Harbor Freight's contractor grade, like woodworking tools, drills and stuff like that. So this is a 20-volt lithium ion cordless compact heat gun, tool only $49.99. Currently, I believe there's a coupon out there where you can drop down the price, or you get a charger and a battery for free or something like that, or $25 off if you buy all those 3 items. So yeah, it's pretty much looks like a drill. Looks pretty much rubber, just like a drill. It does have I don't know if this is a handle or a bar on the back. The only thing that changes here, it's the front, I guess, for the heat gun. You do have a lock mechanism here. Let's see here, Hercules, I can't see it. HC105B, that's the part number. That's the side view. It does have a light, if you guys see here. It does have a working light. And you do have that lock that I was telling you guys about. And the front is pretty much like a standard heat gun there. That's the back. I wonder, yeah, it's probably a holder here so you can hang the gun or something like that. And there's the product demonstration here that they're taking some stickers off. And that's the the line of products that are coming hopefully this year for Hercules. So alright, the next one we got is the Bauer. So it's pretty much the same thing. I will say it's pretty much identical, except it's red and it has different design. So 20 volt Hypermax line cordless heat gun tool only, $49.99. I guess they just wanted to make two types of tools. I mean, for two different types of batteries, in case you're on the Bauer or the Hercules. But it's pretty much the same tool as you guys see here. I will say, yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. So definitely, whether you're in the Bauer or the Hercules, now you got a heat gun so you can work. And that's the way it looks with the batteries. So pretty much like a small drill. One more. Let's see here. Yeah. Pretty nice actually. They're both pretty nice looking. Let's see here. We got some more tools here. We got 7,200 lumen hanging shop work lights. 360-degree light output, $89.99. So this looks like a pretty heavy duty light. You can see that it's filled with LEDs. All these are LEDs, so that's a lot of LEDs. 360 LED lights, easy snap lock, 7,200 lumen, link up to 10 lights, so it is linkable. Heavy duty rugged construction, plug in into any standard outlets. Heavy gauge steel safety guard. You got the lights there. That's what it looks like if you're going to link them. That's the bottom. Oh, it does have some more LEDs on the bottom. Wow, seems like a real powerful light. And I guess you can just hang this anywhere. This is a spring-loaded hook there. And that's if you want to hook up another one, you can plug it in there. And if you want to use it for a warehouse, I guess you can use it for a warehouse. Nice. So they are linkable, $89.99. I'm pretty sure there's going to be coupons out there. Yeah, the next one is Bauer 20 volt Hypermax lithium-ion cordless auto feed drain cleaner, guys. We knew that this thing was coming out. It's just a matter of when. So $69.99. It already has 5 stars. I do have the other Bauer, the corded version. It's really strong. It works really good. Yeah, so it's been working fine with me. So I don't need a cordless, but I can consider that. If I didn't have the other one, I would go definitely with this one. But since I already have the corded one, it's pretty much enough power. We got soft grip handle, heavy duty guaranteed variable speed trigger, impact resistant housing, heavy duty 1/4 to 23 feet cable, LED work. So this is pretty much the same size as the corded version. It is 23 feet too. LED work light, rear drain port, over 2 hours of runtime using 3 amp hour battery. Tool and battery charger sold separately. So this is tool only. And sinks, tubs, utility sinks. That's the way it looks with the battery on. So I would definitely recommend a bigger battery, a 3 amp hour battery with this tool. It's just it needs more power. It's probably, you can probably do it with the smaller battery, but you know, having a bigger battery is a plus always. Looks pretty nice. I like the handle on the top there. I wonder if it has reverse. It might just have reverse, and it does have like some sort of locking mechanism there for the trigger. Maybe a safety. And this is the replacement drain cleaning cable, $19.99. This is pretty much for both of these because they are both 23 feet. Mine's still pretty good, but if I ever need to replace it, I'm probably gonna shop at Harbor Freight and pretty much get this replacement cable. But I gotta say, I do have this gun. It works really good. If you guys want to watch the video, I do have a few videos on it. So just put Toolhead 147 drain cleaner, Bauer drain cleaner up on the search section of YouTube, and you guys will see that video. But I do have a few videos on that. So $19.99 for that. And then we got some Chief 3-inch 40 grit metal cut off tools or cut off wheels, pack of 5, so $5.99. Maybe these are better than the other brands that we have. So steel, stainless. All right, yep, that's it. We already went over these tools last video. So yeah, big addition here at Harbor Freight. More power tools coming up. Like I said, there's probably more coming out, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell icon so you can help out the channel so we can buy more tools, more tool reviews, more videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.